Welcome to Luwai, Bohol. It is a municipality, the province of Bohol, that has rich history. It is established in the 16th century, and Luwai is one of the oldest towns in Bohol. The word Luwai is derived on a local term which means to flow, referring to a river that runs through it. So that is Luwai, Bohol.
The Blood Compact. The Blood Compact, or as we know as Sandugo, is a significant event that happened on March 16, 1565 by Chieftain Dato Sikatuna and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. It symbolized alliance by Spanish and native chieftain by making incision on their arms and made the blood and they drank as a sign of ban. In historical context, the actual location of the Blood Compact was changed, as in former location was in Bohol, but further studies shown that it was in Luwai due to geographical description that was stated on Antonio Pigafita's document.
Ako ng halik, ngunit ang tadhana ayaw nang makasama. Lalapit ngunit bibitaw muli. Pero kahit may hadlang pag-ibig, di paglalaban. Kaya't kahit saan ka mapapad, kahit lang taon ang lumipas.
The Church of Luwai, officially known as the St. Joseph of the World Parish Church, has rich history that reflects the broader narrative of the town and the influence of Spanish colonization in the Philippines. For intangible heritage, there are a lot of culture that Luwaians create, and the one of it is celebrating the Sambat Mascara Ergata, which is celebrated in honor of every first Sunday of the month of December. It has never been untouched and always was something that the Luwaians always celebrate.
Ano po sir, as a local na as a local diri sa Luwai, kanang unsay nganong importante ma-preserve sila kung all sila sa buhay. Okay na sir,
para naman mo, mas maayon para bang kailan sana dili na ito ika ng i-change o masaya na sa panakon dapat po na yung ma-change dapat ato yung kasi ka so i-preserve ka kasi
so bali
para may luwana po ato
nahinduman na ito ang past inabot na ito sa future pohon. So more po na yung interview mo sir. Thank you kayo sir for your interview and again thank you guys sir.
Luwai River is a scenic waterway in Bohol, Philippines, renowned for its lush landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant river cruises. The river is celebrated for its pristine environment, featuring mangrove forests, lush greenery, and diverse wildlife. Cruising along the river offers visitors a tranquil experience amidst nature's beauty. The river's banks are lined with coconut trees and other flora, providing a picturesque backdrop for the journey.
Here we are on Himuntagon Hills. As you can see, it has an overlooked view of Lila, Pamilacan, and also Luwai, and also Albor. As you can see, this place is also one of the most underrated natural landscape that everyone should visit to. Since this is very far from the main road, so you gotta need transportation to go here. So that's it for the Himuntagon Hill, and enjoy the view.
With many things to be discovered in the municipality of Luwai, Luwai is renowned for its traditional bolo-making craftsmanship, whereas visitors can observe local blacksmith skillfully forging bolos or Filipino machete using techniques passed down through generations after generations. This craft is not only a livelihood but also a testament of the community's rich cultural heritage.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.